favorite George. Today we're going to learn squares of numbers ending in 5 using your abacus method. Have you heard the word abacus? Abacus is a kind of mathematical method that says you use your brain to calculate. For example, they ask you a question: 5 plus 6 plus 8. There's an easy way you can use abacus to solve this. You might say, oh, it's so hard, I can't solve this very fast. But no, abacus method can help you solve this in just even 1 second. Abacus method scheme is just like this. It has many rows. It can be 10 rows, 100 rows, and so on. It has beads here. They are all divided. This is the unit rod, 10th rod, 100th rod, 1000th rod, and tens of thousands. You can use all these your beads, moving them to solve all beads. So let's dive into what we have for today. Firstly, you have to know your multiplication table and other kind of mathematical things like squares of numbers, square roots, multiplication tables, and your other kind of tables like 1 meter equals centimeters, and so on. Now, for instance, to solve this, you're supposed to know 1 squared to 20 squared. Like 1 squared is 1. 1 squared, a square of your number simply means that number multiplied by itself. Like example, 2 times 2 squared is 2 times 2, which is 4. 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. 5 squared 25. 6 squared 36. Ask your question: what's 5 squared? Finding the square of a number is number multiplied by itself. In abacus, 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. So 5 squared is 25. Now, let's try solving this other number. Finding 15 squared. Firstly, you know that this 5 here, its square is 25. Have this in the back of your mind. Then, mark out this 5. To mark out the number means we're not concentrating on it. Then, move over to 1 and multiply 1 by a successive number. What's a successive number? A successive number is a number after a particular number. For example, one successive number is what? 2. After 2 is what? 3. After 3 is what? 4, and so on. So 1 multiplied by a successive number, which is 2, equals 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Then come over to this 5 we marked out and square it. 5 squared is 25. So we write this. Let's check whether our answer is correct. We start. 15 times 15. 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 7. 1 times 5 is 5. 6. Add 7 plus. This is 225. Do you see how this thing is easy? You can make some mistakes if you don't know your multiplication table. Now let's try a second example. Still have this at the back of your mind. Number 1. 2. We're going to find 25 squared. 25 squared. What do you think that is? Firstly, we mark out 5 as we said. Then we come over to 2 and multiply it by a successive number. What's the successive number of 2? The successive number of 2 is 3. That means after 2 is 3. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we come to this 5 we mark out and square it. 5 squared is 25. See? It's very easy. But you might make some mistakes. Another thing you need to know that if you don't concentrate on what you're doing. That means you're solving something, but at the side you're playing with your friend, discussing, oh wow, then come back to come and solve. By the time you come back, you forget what you were, you forget the fact you were, you even forget what you were solving and the point you were. So always have a back of your mind that to solve any mathematical situation or even abacus, you need to be concentrating. Let's continue. Third example. Finding 105 squared. It does not matter whether the digit is very big, it's still the same kind of question like this one to work out the fives. So, let's say 105 squared. Firstly, we square the 5. Mark out the 5. Then, we multiply this number by a successive number. Now, what if the successive number is 10? After 10 is what? 11. So, 10 times 11 is what? 110. Then, you come to this 5 is marked out and square it. 5 squared is 25. You see how easy this thing is? It's very easy. Can you imagine this kind of thing? Just in 3 seconds we solve this whole thing. Now, try yours. We're going to try this example. Using these examples, try solving those questions in 3 minutes. Firstly, we'll solve 35 squared. 2, you're going to solve 95 squared. We're going to give it state by state. 3 is going to be 95 squared. Then this number 4, I'm going to give you a 3-digit number like this one, which is this 115 squared. Find all these in just a whole 3 minutes. Make sure all, let me say 2 minutes. So solve this in 2 minutes. So let me pause the video and continue later. Or you can pause this video and solve all those questions using these examples. When you are done solving it, continue the video so that you can see how far you've understood this. Did you get it? Let's check. Firstly, we said let's solve 35 squared. Firstly, we mark out our 5, right? Then multiply 3 by a successive number which is 4. 3 times 4 is what? 12. 5 squared is 25. You count 1, 2, 3. 35 squared is 1,255. Did you get it? I hope you got it. Let's find it. If you got it, clap for yourself. Now, let's find number 2. Number 2 says find 55 squared. Firstly, mark out a 5. Then, we multiply 5 by a successive number. 5 times 6 is 30. Then, 5 squared is 25. Always count this. After 3-digit numbers, there's always a comma. 1, 2, 3. 55 squared is 3025. Did you get it? Let's find this other two. Make sure you got it. Now, 95 squared. Using this method to solve all these, and this method to solve this. 95. We square out a 5. We mark out a 5. Then 9 times 10, 10 which is a successive number, equals 90. Then 5 squared is what? 25. Number 4. I hope you got this number 4. Because if you didn't get it, that means you didn't understand. It's so easy, you know. So we mark out a 5. Then 11 times 12 is what? 132. Then 5 squared is 25. You see how easy these things are? It shows that if you don't know your multiplication table, you might not understand this. Let's try one more example of this. Let me give you something like something that looks hard. Giving you something like this. It must not start with 1 or 11 or something. It just ends with 5. Now, we still use this method. We mark out a 5. Then, 21 times the successive number, which is 22. Let's check. 21 times 22. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1, 2, and this. Then we write 462. 21 times 22 is 462. Then 5 squared is what? 25. See? Even if you check this, your answer 215 times 215, you might still get this. So, one of the secrets you should know is concentration on your math. Always remember to like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe. Oh, I forgot something to tell you. Yes, since we're looking on abacus method, we're supposed to have solved 21 successive numbers using the abacus method. This is another lesson on its own. So let me show you this simple. 21 times 2. Firstly, since these two numbers are the same, we're just going to take it and square it. Since they are the same, that's 4. Then we come over to 1. 1 times 2. 2. Multiplied by a successive number, which is 3. But 2 times 3 is what? 6. Then 1 times 2 is 2. You see, our answer is still correct using the normal method and abacus method. So, this is just what I wanted to show you, that you can use the abacus method to solve the 2-digit number, which the 10th row is the same. I hope you understand. I hope you understood this video, and make sure you keep practicing. Don't just finish watching this video and dump your book. Keep practicing so that you can understand this thing better than you understood it after watching this video. Always remember to like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel. This is me zooming out. Bye bye.